Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic ring or a wedding ring profile in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select the 2D sketch and click on the exit plane. This will be top view, rotate. Take a circle command. From the center point make circle of dia 18 and from same center circle of dia 21. Escape. Okay, so these are the two circles. Go to 3D model, extrude this inner profile, take a symmetric extrude and the height of 4 mm and OK. Now select this outer edge, go to fillet command, take here a fillet of 0.65, similarly this bottom and this inner and apply. Okay. So we have selected the inner profile and the outer profile. Similarly at bottom, inner and this outer. Okay. Now we'll make the flower pattern. Rotate it. Go to origin. Select the exit plane. Okay. And go to create sketch. Go to line command. From here make a line. One line here. Escape. Go to arc. Make arc profile here. Okay. And escape. Go to dimension. This height here will be of dimension 0.35. This will be 0.1. Go to tangent constraint, select this line and this arc. Okay. Now go to dimension. This arc will be of dimension a radius of 0.4. Okay. Now from here we will select the center point arc. Select this center point. Select this as first point and this as second point. Okay. Escape. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this point. Okay. We will take the horizontal constraint. Take the horizontal constraint. Select this point. Zoom out and select the center point. Now this is a fully constrained sketch. Now go to 3D model. Take the revolve command. Rotate this. And here select this profile to revolve and go to axis selection and select this axis. Here it will take join and OK. So this will be a middle profile of the flower. Now we'll make a new plane. So go to plane, offset from plane and select this top point and here give an offset distance as minus 0.15 and OK. Okay. Now the plane is not visible here. So go to view, visual style, change to wireframe. Now you can see the plane is inside. Select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now go to line command. From this point, make one straight line, escape, go to dimension and give this a dimension of 1.25. Okay, and escape. Now go to coincident, select this point and select this point. Okay, and escape. Now as it is moving in horizontal direction, go to vertical constraint, select this line, select this point and select this point to make it vertically aligned. Now escape, make it a reference. So select this line, make it a reference geometry. Go to arc command, select this top and this end of the line and make one arc. Go to dimension, give this arc a radius of 1.1 mm. Okay. Now go to mirror, select this arc, go to mirror line and select the center line, apply and done. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select both these arcs, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. We will select this center point here. Okay. Now give a count of 9 and okay. So this will be a flower pattern. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So it will look like this in shaded with edges. Go to model, go to extrude and select all the profiles. Okay. Now from here to next and select this. Flip the direction. Okay. And to next face or 2 we will select and select this. 2 we will select here and select this outer dia and okay. So this will be the flower pattern. Now go to 3D model, go to the fillet command. Here we will take a fillet of 0.05 mm and select all the corner edges one by one. This, these and this. All the edges we will select and okay. Okay. Now we'll pattern this along this outer dia. So go to circular pattern, from revolve 1, extrude 2, fillet 2. We will select all the features. Go to rotation axis and select this face. The count here will be of 15 and the filling angle of 360 degree. Okay. Now it is made. Now we will define the color. So go to color definition and here we will take chrome, which will take the color as chrome polished, or here will chrome polished, and select revolve 1, extrude 2, fillet 2 and circular pattern. From here define their color to copper polished. From here we will take copper polished. Okay. So it will be a different color. Okay. Rotate it. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a ring or to design a ring by using the Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.